We have some files that we're going to merge. Let's take a look at each file before combining them. This is the first file, it has 2 pages, as you can see. This is the second file, it also has 2 pages, as you can see. Now, we'll merge these 2 files. Open the Chrome browser and go to pdfmerge.com. Once the website is open, click on Choose File and select your first file. Then click Open. Click on Add Files to add another file. Select your second file and click Open. Now you can see we've added 2 files. Click on Merge Files. Rename the merged file if you want, and save it. This is our merged file, let's open it. As you can see, it now has 4 pages. Thanks for watching this video.